Nicole Kidman touched down in Sydney with daughters Sunday and Faith ahead of the Australian premiere of Being the Ricardos. Nicole Kidman is back home in Australia with daughters Sunday, 13, and Faith, 10, after promoting her upcoming film Being the Ricardos in the States. The actress, 54, touched down in Sydney Airport with her kids on Thursday, December 9, looking casual in black pants and a sweater vest, as seen in photos here. The girls, whom Nicole shares with husband Keith Urban, also looked casual post-flight. Sunday wore grey sweatpants and a Franklin, Tennessee t-shirt, while Faith wore a fuzzy white t-shirt and black leggings. The trio wore surgical masks as they made their way through the airport. The arrival comes ahead of the Australian premiere of Being the Ricardos next week. A day before her flight, the actress appeared on the Wednesday episode of The Tonight Show and said her family would be celebrating Christmas in her and husband Keith's native Australia. "We're all ready and we're celebrating," Nicole told host Jimmy Fallon. "We got the lights and festivities and eggnog." Related gallery. Being the Ricardos premiere, photos of Nicole Kidman with Javier Bardem and more. In a holiday-themed rapid-fire question segment, Nicole revealed that her favorite holiday film is Elf starring Will Ferrell and her favorite holiday song is her country singer husband's hit I'll Be Your Santa Tonight. She also said she liked pumpkin and apple pie with a little bit of cream. The star has been busy promoting Being the Ricardos, a biographical drama about the complex personal and professional relationship of former Hollywood power couple Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz. The Big Little Lies alum stars as the famed comedian opposite Javier Bardem's Desi. In theaters on December 10, the Aaron Sorkin-directed film also stars Nina Arianda as Vivian Vance and J.K. Simmons as William Frawley. Nicole's casting initially caused a stir as some fans argued that she bears no resemblance to the late actress. In February, Aaron defended the decision, calling Nicole and Javier two of the greatest actors ever. While on Live with Kelly and Ryan on December 2, Nicole admitted that the backlash to the casting caused anxiety, and almost led to her dropping out of the role. "When the reality of playing her hit me, I went, what I have said yes to," she said. To which I then went, "Oh no, I'm not right. Everyone thinks I'm not right, so I'm going to try to sidestep this." The film crew, however, was not having it. The producer Todd Black and Aaron Sorkin were both like, "Absolutely not," Nicole said. "I was in Australia and they were like, no. And thank God, because then I was so grateful because I got to fall in love with her."